Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today the 2025 Yamaha YTX 125 stands out as a reliable and efficient motorcycle, tailored for daily commuters and those requiring a dependable partner for heavy-duty tasks. This model continues Yamaha's tradition of delivering quality and performance in the 125cc category. I Circumflex. At the heart of the YTX 125 is a robust 125cc engine, engineered for both power and fuel efficiency. Riders can expect a smooth acceleration curve, making city navigation and highway cruising equally effortless. The engine's design emphasizes low maintenance, ensuring longevity and consistent performance over time. I Circumflex. Fuel efficiency is a standout feature of the YTX 125. With rising fuel costs, this motorcycle offers an economical solution without compromising on performance. Riders have reported impressive mileage, making it a cost-effective choice for daily commutes and long-distance travels alike. I Circumflex. The 2025 model introduces several enhancements over its predecessors. A notable upgrade is the improved suspension system, which provides a more comfortable ride over varied terrains. Additionally, the bike features an updated ergonomic design, ensuring rider comfort during extended journeys. The inclusion of modern LED lighting not only adds to its aesthetic appeal but also enhances visibility during night rides. I Circumflex. In terms of handling, the YTX 125 offers a balanced and responsive experience. Its lightweight frame allows for easy maneuverability in congested urban settings, while the sturdy build ensures stability on open roads. The braking system is both reliable and precise, providing riders with confidence in various riding conditions. I Circumflex. Affordability is another key aspect of the YTX 125. Priced competitively, it offers exceptional value for its range of features. This makes it an attractive option for both new riders entering the motorcycling world and seasoned riders seeking a dependable daily commuter. I Circumflex. The YTX 125's versatility extends beyond daily commuting. Its durable build and robust engine make it suitable for commercial purposes, such as delivery services or utility transport. The bike's design allows for easy customization, enabling owners to adapt it to specific needs, whether it's adding storage solutions or other functional modifications. I Circumflex. Maintenance of the YTX 125 is straightforward, thanks to Yamaha's extensive service network and the availability of affordable spare parts. This ensures that owners can keep their motorcycles in optimal condition without incurring significant expenses. I Circumflex. In summary, the 2025 Yamaha YTX 125 excels as a budget-friendly, reliable, and efficient motorcycle. Its blend of performance, comfort, and practicality makes it a standout choice in the 125cc category. Whether you're navigating city streets, embarking on longer journeys, or utilizing it for commercial purposes, the YTX 125 is designed to meet a wide range of riding needs with confidence and style. I Circumflex. For a more in-depth visual review and performance test of the 2025 Yamaha YTX 125, you might find the following video insightful. I Circumflex video. I Circumflex 2025 Yamaha YTX 125 Ultimate Review Performance Test. I Circumflex Turn 0 Search 0 I Circumflex.